Ebusia, Ebusia, come with me again, or come with me again. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. And Ebusia, Oshama, Mr. Consider, fila. Quickly, today we want to talk about information behind Saka, John Mahama to confront Ahmed Bola Tinubu of Nigeria, the president of Nigeria. Ebusia, we're just trying to make sure we'll just share a couple of stuff and put one or two things together before we come up with this video. Nebusia, a while ago, and I said in any 3 days, I had one of my cherished viewers who give me a very strong perspective. Information with respect to what is going on out there. Because when we say, since this issue of kidnapping and actually adopting of people starts here in Nigeria, John Mahama have not said one single word about it. And some of us, we kind of asking that during the inauguration of John Dramani Mahama, the special guest that was invited to inaugurate or to put John Mahama on as a president was the president of Nigeria, Mr. Ahmed Tinubu. So why is it that this thing is going on in Nigeria and they are adopting people and John Mahama is not saying one word? So we keep asking. And then a while ago, I saw another video also where one Nigerian blogger was saying that Ghana have sent troops, and I was like, let me check. I checked and I found that Ghana has sent troops to Jamaica, okay? Now, to support Jamaica to rebuild. Now, the reason being that it is believed that some part of Ghanaians are from Jamaica, or some Jamaicans are Ghanaians, and vis-a-vis there are some families out there, they name some people after some Ghanaian names and stuff like that. So people believe that some Ghanaians are from Jamaica and all that. And so that is the reason why John Mahama had to send some people out there to go support Jamaica build their country. Okay, now, but in a nutshell, what made us believe what is going on? This vis-a-vis what they call it in Nigeria as a terrorist. I don't know, Inauguration, if you guys have heard about him, okay? If you guys have heard about him, that he's been sentenced to life, blah, 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 and all that. Now, we have heard, or rumor has said that John Mahama want to confront Ahmed Tinubu of Nigeria, the president of Nigeria, with respect to this very guy, because most people are saying that this guy said he belonged to the Biafra fraternity and that he's a Biafrian and he want to have these kind of separatists or whatever they call it, and they know that they are saying that he's a terrorist, right? So this is the thing. John Mahama want to actually confront the Nigerian president over this issue. And I'm like, why should he do that actually? Why should John Mahama confront the president of Nigeria because of Inauguration issue and all that? This is a different jurisdiction and he has no power whatsoever to do that. You understand what I'm saying? But quickly, my dream is CBB so, and my dream CBB so no, at the end of my dream so quickly, information and so reaching me from my ghost team actually say Mr. Chukwude Jude also belonged to that fraternity, which is a Biafrian fraternity, and he said he believed in it. He's a Biafrian guy, and so he believed in that. So he want to just make sure that Inauguration will be released. Now, this is the reason why John Mahama is going to confront the president of Nigeria, because Mr. Chukwude Jude is influencing John Mahama to ensure he will go and confront this guy to ask why this man has been put in jail and what is going on and all that, blah, 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 and all that. So I'm like, so Mr. Mahama, this is what I'm hearing. It could be true, it could not be the fact on the ground, but what is going on when you weigh the options and when you weigh the things that John Mahama have said so far? Listen, let me just prove you also with something he said recently. Recently, he said that he wants to ensure that 7 African countries will have a visa-free movement. And then he mentioned one person's name that most Ghanaians are confused about. Okay? Obasanjo. And I asked myself, why should John Mahama mention the name of Obasanjo in the middle of that story or in the middle of that conversation? Because Obasanjo is no longer the president of Nigeria. Regardless, he's been he has been the president of Nigeria before and passed and gone, maybe XX to the third or something like that, maybe 16 years ago or maybe 20 years ago there about. So why is John Mahama saying that he called or spoke to Obasanjo and then he's trying to make sure they will come together and make a regional free movement for 7 countries, blah blah blah? So that alone tells you that John Mahama and the president of Nigeria, Tinubu, are not in good terms. I'm telling you, because if you are in good terms with the person, why can't you either talk to him one-on-one? At least talk to him about the situation, right? Talk to him, but you are not able to talk to him and you are talking to the XX president, triple X. That is the person you're trying to talk to. And I really do not understand why you have to go to that extent if there is amount of conversation going on between yourself and, again, with the president of Nigeria. Because if that is the thing, if there's some amount of conversation going on, you should be able to go offer them some support, some help, some assistance to control what is going on there, the bandit situation. But you fly all the way across the ocean, all the way to Jamaica to go and help the people out there. So is it that John Mahama want to tell us he support Nnamdi Kanu because allegedly there's issue going on there and Chukwu the Jude is influencing John Dramani Mahama to go and talk to this particular guy because Chukwu the Jude will not have that access to be able to talk to the president of Nigeria because he's a Biafran, and Tinubu will not allow him to come and talk about Nnamdi Kanu because they believe that Nnamdi Kanu is a terrorist. That's what they believe in. Okay, I was told that he was adopted from one of the countries and they pull him all the way to Nigeria to come and face the law. You understand what I'm saying? So that is exactly what is going on. Now, the question I'm asking here is that John Dramani Mahama, we believe strongly Ghanaian voted for you, unless you want to tell me that the vote that you receive from Ghana, part of it are from Nigeria. If that's what you want to say, I don't know. But guys, it sounds like John Dramani Mahama is trying to shift the polls because Ghanaians voted for you. Why do you want to talk about something that is going on out there in Nigeria, but you are using Obasanjo to do that? And you are not able to use the president of Nigeria to do that. So, Ebusia, what I'm hearing is that John Mahama is about to confront Tinubu with respect to Nnamdi Kanu. Is it that he believes that these guys that are out there is the people that he's supposed to support? Is it the reason why John Mahama is supporting Chukwu the Jude? Is it that he wants them to come and build the Biafran Association in Ghana? Is it that the NDC is in support with that? Look, now let me also tell you, information also reaching me, gathering information from my ghost team HSA. Because of some of these things, there are some of the ministers in the John Mahama administration who are not comfortable with the kind of movement that is going on, with the kind of conversation that is going on between John Dramani Mahama and Chukwu the Jude or whatever is going on because of Nnamdi Kanu. Most people are not happy about it, but hey, they can't say anything about the entire thing. Now, let me just bring in the First Lady. I believe that the First Lady is a very strong Christian and she has to come in between some of these things because John Mahama don't have the jurisdiction. Trust me, you don't have whatsoever jurisdiction he has to actually go out there and show us, say, a friend saying, the president of Nigeria, Eko Akokasa, because of Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu, they think that he's a terrorist. They believe that he's a separatist. They believe that he wants to divide Nigeria into two. And that is why they are holding him tight. You understand what I mean? They are holding him at that corner. Okay, now we as a country in Ghana, we have our own situation, we have our own problem. And to the ministers who are scared to talk about this, please, the earlier you talk about this, the better. Because at the end of the day, Ghanaians are watching, and I've said it, John Dramani Mahama and the NDC will go down in 2028 election. They will be surprised because most Ghanaians are watching the insecurity situation. Most Ghanaians are just putting their eyes down. And you know, Ghanaians, when they keep quiet about a situation, it means that they are omufa omuadring. You understand what I'm saying? Omufa omuadring about the entire situation out here. Ebusia, fila ni biya betomina so. Now I'll bring that fila to you guys tomorrow, and you're going to be shocked. Hey, somebody have traveled from Ghana all the way to Dubai. Who is that? I will not mention the name of the person. What is happening in Chuku the Jude house? Because somebody who is supposed to be part of his team, no, Dubai. I will tell you guys that story tomorrow. Stay with me and remember, share the videos and let somebody also get this video to watch. If you want me to tell you that story about who is in the camp of Chuku the Jude, who has actually run away to Dubai, tell me that hey, Top Gossip, let us know, and then put the comment out there that we'll tell you. Now, the question I will ask finally before I go, John Mahama, what do you believe in? Do you believe in the Igbo people coming to Ghana to form their own country or something? What do you believe in? Because I don't really understand why you want to confront the president of Nigeria if he's the one that came to inaugurate you to be inaugurated at a point in time. Why are you not talking to him, but you are talking to a different person altogether? Somebody who is ex-president. I mean, I really don't understand what is going on here. But again, we will come and clarify these things when we get any more information with respect to what is going on out there. There are so many things going on there. There are so many issues going on. And guys, we are ready to tell you what you have to tell you. This is your humble servant here. That's